Samsung Galaxy A53 is on sale before the official announcement. Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. So guys, yesterday Samsung has officially confirmed the A series event will going to be held on March 17, which is literally 2 days away. We already seen the leaks for the Galaxy A53, A33 and the A73. Yesterday we have also talked about the unboxing leak that has been appeared online, which confirms that there is no charger inside the box, which is kind of a disappointment. Other than that, it also confirmed the design, which is coming with a larger camera sensor as compared to the last year model. Well, if you look at the side-by-side comparison of both the camera sensor, they are looking different, and I think there might be a 108 megapixel camera sensor to be coming in the A53 5G as well. I may be wrong, but looking at the larger camera bump, I assume we may see this larger camera sensor inside the body, because as rumors are pointing out that the A53 will be recording the 8K video, which kind of give me a little bit a hint that we might actually see the 108 megapixel on the sensor. Do keep note that this is my assumption. Do take this as a pinch of salt, as nothing has been confirmed officially by Samsung. Well, moving forward, the Galaxy A53 is already on the sale in Serbia and Kenya with slightly price different. In Serbia, an online retail store has given us a price of 349 euros for the 6 and 128 gigabyte of internal storage device, and if you convert that in dollars, it will cost you around $385. Whereas the Galaxy A53 also appear in Kenya, where it gives you a price of 8 128 gigabyte of a device, which will cost you around $400, which is obviously going to be competitive as compared to the European pricing. And I do feel that the Kenya retail store is not giving you the accurate information, because according to that store, we are going to see a 4500 milliamp of a battery capacity inside, which I doubt it. And moving forward, Samsung Galaxy A53 also appear in Thailand as well, which give us a new color option, like a new rose gold color option has been appeared on that leak, which kind of confirms two color options already. Like we have the blue, and now this rose color option is available, which confirms that there are a bunch of other colors to be coming around. And if you notice that past few days we have seen the live looks of the Galaxy A53 device. We don't see the Galaxy A73 and A33 device in the live look, which give me a doubt that Samsung could be using this strategy in order to keep up the hype for their E-series devices. And I may be wrong, but I assume that Samsung is doing just for marketing. And the spec sheet for the Galaxy A53 5G will be similar to the last year model. Like we have the 6.5 inch of Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, 32 megapixel selfie camera, Gorilla Glass 5 protection, in-display fingerprint scanner, whereas on the back we have, according to the leaks, 64 megapixel of a main sensor, 12 megapixel of ultra wide, 8 megapixel plus 2 megapixel sensor. Internally, it will be coming with 6 128 or 8 256 gigabyte of internal storage, whereas we have a new processor this time around, the Exynos 1280, which we don't know really about what to expect from it. And it will be packing with a 5000 milliamp of a battery cell inside with a 25 watt charging support. Unfortunately, no charger in the box and no headphone jack support is going to be available for the A53 5G. Other devices include the A73 and the A33, which are going to be launching alongside with the Galaxy A53. So guys, overall this device is looking pretty much similar to the last year model in terms of design. Only the difference here, we have no 3.5mm headphone jack. Other than that, it's same. Now, one important thing that is to mention here, that Android support is going to be last you for 4 years for this device, which is incredible. And that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Peace.